Finding difference between two list of dictionary in Python. I am trying to find the difference between two list of dictionary. I found some information in this forum but did not serve my purpose. Here I need to compare the incoming _rows with the available _row list of dictionary and the difference want to list in another list of dict format. Here my table name is unique. Conditions. 1. Any new addition of columns. 2. Any change in data type. If these two conditions are true, then the expected _row should contain only these changed rows only.
A set is the perfect solution for this problem. Unfortunately, Python will not let you add dictionaries to a set, because they are mutable and their hash code could change between insert and lookup. If you freeze the items to make them immutable, you can then add them to set objects instead of a list, and then take a set difference using the minus operator. Edit to unfreeze.
For large datasets, and especially when you are working with numeric data, you may find better performance with third-party libraries. For example, Pandas accepts lists of directories directly. If you require a list of dictionaries as output,
if you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.